Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit and check out your profile on the 8-Ball Pool application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then tap on this blue profile icon that you can find in the upper left corner of the screen. Here you can check out all of the information about your profile, such as your name, your player status. Here you can see your total winnings, coins, rank, the games that you have won, win percentage, tournament won, win streak, ball spotted. You can see your that your tire is bronze here, and if you want to edit your profile, tap on this pencil button, and here you can change your avatar in this section. So you can purchase any of these. Only you should select the one that you want to buy and tap on the relevant green button. Tap on continue to complete your purchase, and as you can see, you have purchase this avatar. So if you want to use it, tap on the use button and it will be set. If you tap on the chat packs button, you can buy these chat packs. As you can see, there are many distinct categories such as emote, motivational, rematch, and so on. You can see the prices indicated below, and you can also buy these stickers. So here you can see that your avatar has been changed. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.